Smart money, SMSFX mentors, man. I hope you guys can hear me good, brother. And I'm back with another YouTube video. Every time I try to come on here, man, I try to get y'all a crazy video, man. I try to get y'all something wild, man. But you already know, man, we marketing up gold and we got a bot, guys. So you already know I got to do my due diligence and letting y'all know that we got the bot. You feel me? Other than that, then I'm wasting time. You know what I'm saying? I'm wasting time. Excuse me, sorry about that. So look, man, SMSFX mentors. I'm SMSFX Ken. If you don't know, and yeah, let's hop right into it, man. We're gonna share the screen with you boys, and then we're gonna hop right in. So y'all already know, man. We built a gold bot from scratch, uh, and I really want to show you guys how to use it, and I want to show you guys like just talk to you guys on a summary of what gold been doing all freaking week. Okay, so we really been in consolidation mode, man. I mean, we really been in like for those who know, but man, everybody else, like y'all guessing because my market's been telling me that I'm moving sideways, and we got a little. Even though we got a little drop, we got a little drop here. We you know we got stair steps, we got steps. Okay, step down, step down, step down, step down, step down. But I do want to show off this bot, y'all. I want to show off this bot, man, just so y'all can kind of get a gist of what's going on. We could try to break down a couple trades, couple plays that was on the flow. All thanks to this bot. You know what I'm saying? So, a couple plays that was on the flow, man. Not crazy. As you guys can see, I be sectioning my stuff off. So I got so I can know what's going on. All right. So boom, we got the bot. We got the bot set up. Boom. All right, now we drop down to that 3 minute. I mean, we got our we got everything set up, so we dropped out to that 3 minute. So I wanted to show y'all how I was catching a few plays. You know what I'm saying? Just a few of them. The bot was going crazy, dog. The bot was going absolutely nuts. Okay. Here, the bot started going nuts, like absolutely nuts around here as well. Um, so you start getting these alerts, like literally like here, and these are just like aggressive buyers are in the market. So it's just letting you know aggressive buyers are in the market. But this is where it starts getting nilly willy right up in here, right? So these right here, this is what you call a flip. So this is what you call a flip, right? You'll get a notification when price is flipping, okay? So you'll get a notification when price is flipping as well. You'll get a notification of these crazy demand areas, all right? So even though price continued to go down, these were demand areas. Let you know that it's a reversal, trend reversal, okay, guys? So this is a trend reversal, letting you know a trend reversal on top of the flip. So that's two confluences right there that the bot is giving you. Plus, you guys are getting these buy and sales. So you're gonna kind of know when these starting to come into play as well, because you're gonna get one here and then you're gonna get a lower high here. Once you get the lower high confirmation, probability you're under the 9 and you're under the flip side. So it started flipping here, boom, got a high, then you got a lower high, boom, confirmations 9, and then you're on the flip side. So of course we came into some support right here, push price up. All right, this was a demand area, which it was because it pushed price up, but came down. Same thing is here, demand area, right? Push price up, but it came back down. Same thing is here, push price up, came back down. All these are valid demand areas. Same thing here, it came back, rested right here on this spot. Same thing, pushed up, came back down, pushed up, came back down. Like I said, look at the look at the lows, look at the higher lows, right? So hot lows, higher lows, and then boom, you start getting higher highs. Start getting higher high. No indication really to get up higher high. All you can pay attention to, but you see that they were higher than the last one. So that's not giving us any information. They have to be lower than the last one. These are all higher than the last one. So it's guaranteeing you structure. And you'll get any type of learn when structure breaks. So when structure broke, you got to learn. Or when structure was about to break, you start getting to learn. When aggressive sellers start getting into the market. So like what I like to do I like to box these, even if I'm in like whatever area, right? I like to box these off, and not even like this, but I'm just giving you an example of this whole area. I would have boxed the height of it off, so the height would have been here. We would have broke again, higher high. Then I would have been trying to. Then you feel me? So like height would have been here. We would have broke, made a higher high. Then I would have waited for a lower high, and I would have got back in for a break of this high. So I would have always been looking for breaks of new highs, just like here. If I would have wanted to break this new high, right? Or whatever the case is. As long as I would have been able to get my percentages out of the game. You know what I'm saying? If I risk 2%, then I would have wanted to begin like anywhere from 4 to 8%. You know what I'm saying? Out of the trade. Okay. And so this is like a back and forth where you can really be in on this stuff because you don't have to wait. It's all up to you and what you're trying to do. Because you see, um, as you can see here, right? You had a high, then you had a lower high. Plus, you was on the flip side, so you're starting to go on to the flip side. When you start seeing a curve like that, this is going to the flip side. Plus, you see red, so that's going into the flip side. Now you're underneath the 9 moving average, and so then now, boom, now you're starting to scale under, below. Plus, you're on the flip side. So even when you're pulling back into this area or a nice big push up to this area, of course you're getting your supported areas. So remember, when you start seeing these arrows, they're support, so you can start boxing these off. Now that way, boom. Okay, you see flip side, pull back under here. Now you can get in underneath anywhere underneath here and hold it. You know what I'm saying? You got support, you got resistance all the way down. And even right here, when you're seeing another supported area, you box it. That's it. You box it and make it make sense. Do this make sense? Is this a higher low, lower high? Like, all right. So now you see lower high. Anywhere underneath here, you can hold it and get in. Um, and so that's what the arrows are there for, man. They're gonna find even these, like when you see these type of arrows though, these are heavy demand areas, right? Heavy demand areas. And you do the same thing, man. You box it. So we say you saw the area here, we would have boxed it. We would have started seeing, okay, boom. Now anywhere above this point, going into the flip side, we could have traded and made some profit. Now you would have never knew it was going up this far, or you could have been like, okay, I'm gonna target this last low right here. Okay, cool. But it's not guaranteed, right? So you have to have still A1 setups with whatever you're doing, guys. But you're gonna get the alert. So like I said, when this alert went off, it went off. As soon as it start pushing, start gaining support, boom. I like to put my supports where my support points are needed. That way I know that this area of support. Same thing as resistance. If I start seeing resistance multiple times, all these multiple resistant areas, right? All these are starting to be resistant areas. Fail to get up here, we can go in anywhere underneath here. You know what I mean? So that's what we're looking for, the necklines. All right. So same thing here. Start seeing that. I start seeing me a nice support area. And what did it do? Boom. It catches support right here. Once it caught support, obviously, boom, it pushed up. Not only did it push up, right? And it came up, it came all the way up, but then it came all the way back to this area, right? Which is a demand area. So once it pulled back down, finally came back down to this area, we started seeing more pushing up, right? So it pushed up, created a high. Okay, higher low, higher high, right? That's all we're looking for when we're looking for that higher high.